This first one is qa. You write it like that. Okay. It's about to be a circle, but it is not. It's like a small circle with this curvy circle, but it's not circle. It doesn't close. So this is how we write it, and it sounds like qa. Fernanda,
Call.
Melissa,
Ko.
yeah, qa. It's not ka. It's not k. It's qa. Say it again, Melissa.
Ko.
Yes, it could be a little bit close to Q in English, so it's qa. It's
Ko.
Fernanda.
Call.
Very good. For example, we have a word like qarib. 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 We have also the word qawi. 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 We can also have a word like karnabit. Karnabit with ta sound at the end. Karnabit. Okay. So could you say this, Fernanda? Qarib.
Qarib.
Perfect. Melissa,
Kavi.
say it again.
It's like a kavi. Kavi.
Qawi, yes.
Kavi.
Fernanda,
Karmbit.
say it again.
Karmbit.
Yes, Karnabit.
Karnabit.
Yeah. Melissa,
Karib.
Qarib, naam. Yes.
Karib.
Fernanda,
Kawi.
perfect. Melissa,
Karnabi.
yes, very good. Karnabit. Very, very good.
2 seconds later.
Please note, ladies, that we have Qa and Ka. Qa and Ka. This is the Ka. The next one in group 8, it is the K sound, or in Arabic we say Ka. This is how we draw it. It's like that. You make this thing first, then inside we need to draw this. Make sense?
Mhm.
It's a little bit artistic, but it's easy. We can do it like that.
This is group 8, right?
8, yes, number 8. Okay. So this is the K sound, the regular K sound like English, K. So this is K. Oh, yes. K. It's like what? We have many words like kalb, kalb, kalb. كتاب, كتاب, كتاب. Kebab. It's a very famous Arabic food. Kebab. Okay. So, Fernanda, could you start?
Kalb.
Say again.
Kalb.
Perfect. Say it one more time.
Kalb.
Melissa,
Kitab.
Fernanda,
Kitab.
No, the other one.
the
Oh,
next one.
which one?
This one.
This one, the highlighted one.
Oh, kebab.
Perfect. Very good. Melissa, Fernanda,
Kitab.
Melissa.
Kabab.
Perfect. Very good. Very nice. The word kalb, as you see, it means dog. Please note that if you make it qalb is heart. So one sound can make a difference. Again, Fernanda, could you say this one?
كلب.
Yes, which means dog. Could you say this one?
Me? Oh.
Fernanda, yes.
Okay, كلب and كلب.
Perfect. Melissa, could you say this?
كلب.
Perfect. And this one?
كلب.
Yes, very good. Qalb and kalb, dog and heart. So this is K sound, regular K sound. In Arabic, the letter name is kaf. Kaf. This is the letter name, kaf. And this letter in Arabic, the letter name is qaf, like kaf. Okay? So this is K, this one K or kaf, and this one is qa or qaf. Make sense?